We are working on step 6 now, which is the mouth of your pillow creature, and it is step 7 for the ladybug. Now, what we're going to do is attach the mouth, which is a piece of baby rickrack, and since it is so tiny and it's very hard to stick pins in it to hold it down, we are going to be using this Wonder Tape. It's called Wash Away Wonder Tape, and I did get it at Joann Fabrics. So it's sticky on both sides. So it's already sticky on the one side, so be careful with that one side. You're going to take and peel off the other side, and that can be thrown away. And this was the starting piece, so it just has a little part right there. Okay, now, be careful that you know what markings you're going to be using for your mouth. It is a little confusing on the frog because there's so many with the cheeks and with the mouth. So take a look at the sample up on the shelf back there to make sure that you know which ones you're using. It's going to be this one, and this one. So we're just going to take this tape, stick it down, and cover up those dots, curving it to make a smile. Now, I usually cut a little bit of extra of both the tape and the rickrack just so you have enough and your dots are covered up, because there's nothing worse than having your dots for your marking, your Sharpie marks, showing on your finished product. Okay, so I just went ahead and cut the little bit of excess tape off. Okay, then I'm going to take my rickrack. I'm going to fold it in half so I know the halfway point. All right, I'm going to stick the halfway point down at that middle dot. All right, and then I'm going to unfold my rickrack and press it down onto that Wonder Tape. And you do need to press firmly. Now, if you say, oh, that tape's so ugly, well, as I read, it's Wash Away Wonder Tape. So we'll be washing it off afterwards. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and cut off my excess rickrack with a little pair of scissors, but be careful you don't cut your pillow. All right, then you're going to be threading your machine with black thread. The only one that will be threading their machine with white thread is the ladybug, because they have white rickrack because of the black fleece. So my machine is threaded. All right, I'm going to start sewing right through the middle of this rickrack. Now, you do want to make a knot. So I'm going to start about 1/4 of an inch down from the beginning, go 3 in reverse, and begin sewing. Take your time. And you do want to sew through the middle so that you hold it down. And make sure it does go over top of the tape. Mine just shifted a little bit right there, so I'm going to press it back down again before I get over it. When you get to the end, do 3 in reverse. And 3 forward. Make sure your take-up lever's all the way up. Cut your threads. Okay, in the next video, I will show you how to wash off that tape. Now, for the other ones, that was the frog. For the other ones, as I said, you'll be sewing the white rickrack to the top of the ladybug for step 7. Be careful of the dots again. These 2 up here are for the eyes. The monkey will be sewn just to your face, which is the oval part. Again, make sure that you get the right 3 dots. There's 2 for the eyes. And the other one is the bumblebee. Again, make sure you get the right 3 dots, and these are the eyes for the bumblebee. So that is how to attach the mouth to your pillow.